Hello everyone, I Sayed Nawaz. I welcome back you to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. So in today's video, as you can see on the screen, that we are going to see about fluid density determination. This kind of question in GATE exam appears at most. So let us quickly see the question. If 25 gallons of water is blended with 13 gallons of bentonite, whose specific gravity is tested as 2.7, then the resulting density of the fluid will be, we have to find out in terms of ppg. So it is very simple question that there are two kind of fluid that we have. One is water and another is bentonite, and we have to mix these both and we have to get a final mud. So we have to calculate the density of this final mud. So for calculating the density of a final mud, what data we should have. So let us see what data is given in the question. So the volume of water is given in the question, that is nothing but 25 gallons, and the volume of bentonite is 13 gallons. And apart from this, there is one more data given over here, that the specific gravity of bentonite is tested as 2.7. Okay, so with the help of this we can identify the density of a bentonite. And obviously we all know that the density of water is 8.3 in terms of ppg. Okay, if it is in terms of lb per feet cube, then it will change to 62.4 and so on. Okay, so as we have in the question, we have to calculate density, final density in terms of ppg. So I'm trying to convert the density of a bentonite in terms of ppg. Let us see the formula what we are going to use. So as you can see that first we have to identify the density of a bentonite, because we only know that specific gravity of a bentonite. So as we all know that the specific gravity is equals to density of a substance by density of a water, right? So after finding the density of a bentonite, the final volume, the final volume of the final fluid will be exactly as volume of water plus volume of bentonite. So here we have total volume of a fluid. Now we have to find out total mass of the final fluid. So why we are finding this two means, that is nothing but density is equals to mass by volume. So we have right now we have volume of water and volume of bentonite, and we have to find out the total mass. Okay, then finally we can find out the total density of a final volume. So let us see the solution. Firstly, I am measuring the density of a bentonite that I can measure by just multiplying the density of a water, as we have seen in the formula in the earlier slide, that is specific gravity into density of a water. So as it is given in the question that the specific gravity of a bentonite is 2.7, when it is multiplied with 8.33, the density of a water, then it gives us 22.491 ppg. Okay, so now we have density of a bentonite. After that, if you see the total volume, how we can calculate it is as simple as it is given in the question itself, that 25 gallons is nothing but the volume of water, and 13 gallons is nothing but the volume of a bentonite. So the total volume is 38 gallons. Now final fluid, we know the equation that mass of a final fluid is equals to mass of the sum of mass of the number of fluid used to mix that to prepare that fluid. Okay, so if you see the definition of mass, the formula for mass is nothing but the density into volume. So the same formula I have applied over here, that this is nothing but the mass of the final volume. Okay, and this is nothing but the mass of a water, and here it should be plus, then that will after that it should be density into volume of a bentonite. So this will give you the mass of a bentonite. If you see the final term, that is nothing but total density into total volume of that particular fluid. So total volume we have calculated, that is 38 gallons. And after that, if you see we know the density of a water, which is 8.33 ppg, and the volume of a water is 25 gallons as it is given in the question. And after that, the density what we have calculated over here for the bentonite, it is 22.491, and 13 as the volume of a bentonite, it is given in the question. So if you further simplify this, then this will give you that 500.63. It is the simplified value of this side, and that is divided by this 38, that is nothing but your volume of final fluid, so that is 38. So if you simplified this, then this will give you a 13.17 ppg as the density of a final fluid. So that's an end of this question. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts or comments, then you can use my comment box. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe by just clicking on this link, or the link will be given in the description. And to get a daily update of new numerical problems or some basic numerical problems of petroleum engineering, you can follow my LinkedIn page. Here I will upload daily or a weekly basis. And to get an access of this slide, you can even visit to my SlideShare page. If you like this video, then hit like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get a latest video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.